Hey everybody, I'm HVAC repair guy. I've got over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two entry-level air conditioners to help you figure out which one makes sense for your home, the Aire-Flo 4AC14L and the Goodman GLXS3B. Both of these units feature louvered coil guards to protect the condenser coils from yard debris, hail, and stray balls. Neither unit comes equipped with a compressor sound blanket straight out of the box, so you are looking at standard, louvered, bare cabinet setups on both sides. The Aire-Flo 4AC14L comes in at a 14.0 SEER rating, while the Goodman GLXS3B sits at 13.4 SEER2. That gives the Aire-Flo a slight edge on seasonal energy efficiency. But when you look at noise levels, the Goodman runs noticeably quieter at 69 decibels compared to the Aire-Flo at 76 decibels. On a patio or near a bedroom window, a 7 decibel difference is something you will feel and hear. Underneath the top grills, both systems use standard single-stage compressors and single-speed condenser fan motors. Neither unit offers variable speed or two-speed technology for the compressor or fan, so they operate on a basic on-off cycle at full capacity. Aire-Flo is an entry-level brand produced by Lennox International, with this 4AC14L model manufactured in Mexico. The Goodman GLXS3B is manufactured in the United States by Goodman, which is a division of Daikin Comfort Technologies. Online, the Aire-Flo condenser alone ranges from about $1,200 to $2,100 depending on tonnage. The Goodman unit-only price ranges from about $1,400 for a 2.5-ton model up to $2,500 for a 4-ton unit. For full professional installation, an installed Aire-Flo system typically ranges between $3,000 and $6,000. A Goodman GLXS3B complete installation averages between $3,200 and $6,500 depending on system size and job complexity. The Aire-Flo 4AC14L comes with a 5-year warranty on functional parts and a 5-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement warranty. The Goodman GLXS3B offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty but also lacks a unit replacement guarantee. If I am putting my own money down or recommending one of these to a homeowner, I pick the Goodman GLXS3B. Doubling your warranty coverage to 10 years and dropping sound output to 69 decibels makes the Goodman the clear winner and a better long-term value.